Da-na, da-na-na-na-na-na. Let's talk about some killer strings, guys. They're all around us and they can wreck your program. Let's take a look what we got here. So I have a little code that I wrote to demonstrate you how string concatenation can just ruin your program. So I have two methods. One is called inefficient and one is called efficient. First, we're going to look at the inefficient method, right? So here I have a little string that I'm going to, through a loop of 1,000,000 iteration, I'm just going to append the letter A, and I'm going to just write to the screen done when it's finished, right? Very simple, nothing special, right? So let's rip. Let's rip through it. All right. F5. I'm in Visual Studio Code, and this is C#. It's running. It's running. It's iterating. Man, how long this is gonna take? So, you know, it's problematic, right? As you can see, it's still running. It's probably gonna run till midnight. So clearly you can see that we have exposed this to large enough iterations. If you put like 100 or 1,000, you probably would not notice. But here we see the problem is exposed at 1,000,000. All right. So you probably say, dude, 1,000,000, you are choking the code. What are you trying to do? Normally we will not do this. All right. Okay, I get it. I get it. All right. So let's disable the inefficient and let's do it the efficient way, right? So in the efficient way, instead of string, I'm using a string builder. I do the same loop that executes 1,000,000 times. I append the letter A, and then I write done when I'm finished, right? So you guys remember how long the other one took, right? So here goes nothing. And we're done. Did that even take a fraction of a second? Most likely. So you guys can see the big difference between using a string for concatenation and string builder for concatenation. So why is this happening? Well, during string concatenation, because of the immutability of string, every time you modify a string, it gets destroyed and recreated with the new values, right? So this guy right here gets destroyed and recreated 1,000,000 times. This does not happen here. So you get yourself an instant results. So at the end of the day, seeing is believing, right? You have witnessed an experiment. You have seen what a bad approach can do to your code, right? It can wreck. Strings can kill your code. There we go. So guys, if you like what you saw, you want to get more tips, I have a well of experience and a lot of things to share. So please subscribe. All the best. Bye-bye.